In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your profile contact information in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to update your profile details, I'll walk you through the simple steps needed to ensure your contact information is both current and easily accessible within your profile. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture displayed there. Clicking on this picture will reveal a drop-down menu. It's a nifty feature that consolidates various options for easy navigation, making your life just a bit easier. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Profile. Clicking on Profile will take you to a new page dedicated to your personal information. This page is essentially your digital identity within Xero. It's where you can not only view, but also manage your profile details, including vital contact information. This step is key for ensuring that all your contact details are up to date and accurate. Once you're on the profile page, you'll find various sections that pertain to your personal and contact information. Take a moment to review all the fields presented to ensure they reflect your current information. This page allows you to make edits, so if anything's outdated or incorrect, now is the perfect time to make those adjustments. Carefully go through sections like your phone number, email address, or any other relevant contact details linked to your profile. A word of advice: double-check everything before saving any changes, as this information is essential for both your communication within Xero and any professional correspondence that might occur. Updating your contact information in Xero not only helps keep your records organized, but also ensures that your professional communications run smoothly. Whichever details you update, remember to click on the Save button to store your changes. If you don't save, your updates won't be reflected, and you'll have to repeat the process. So let's avoid extra steps and make sure it's processed correctly the first time. And that's it! You've now successfully updated your profile contact information in Xero. This simple yet crucial maintenance task can make a significant difference in how efficiently you manage your account. Keeping your contact details accurate makes interactions within Xero seamless for both you and your clients or colleagues. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're feeling more confident with navigating Xero. Stay tuned for more practical guides to help optimize your experience with this powerful accounting software. Have a great day and happy computing!